Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disassemble a Volkswagen key fob. Now, as you can see here, this is a switchblade style, so it does actually have the key that's mounted directly inside the keyless remote itself. Now first, what you want to do is taking a small screwdriver here. I just use this because it's fairly smooth on the ends and it won't mark up the plastic in here. You want to have your key open in the position like this, and what this is actually going to do is this whole assembly is actually going to split in half. See, there's a seam here, it goes all the way around to this side. So I'm going to take your screwdriver and insert it in the side here. Just simply pry it open, like so. As you can see, it splits apart like that. Now for the battery replacement, you want to take this half of the key fob here. Now you don't have to actually worry about this this key ring here. This actually metal part does stay on the one half of this. Now this also does split around, and you can see there's a seam there, a seam that runs along the side here and along the top. What you want to do, take your screwdriver again, simply push it in, slowly start to pop it out. Now, this can be a little harder. May have to go on the sides here just a little bit, just to help it apart. As you can see, it splits apart like that. Now unfortunately I'm unable to remove the circuit board here to show you how to replace the buttons on here, because it is held in with just pieces of little plastic there, so you'd actually have to cut those out and then pull the circuit board back itself. Now for removing the battery itself, as you can see here, I've already removed it. What you want to do actually is when the battery's sitting in there like that, you just want to put your screwdriver along the side of it there and just pop it out. And this metal retainer actually just holds it inside there. It's just basically spring steel, it just keeps it tucked in there. Now when removing the battery here, you want to pay close attention to which side the positive is. As you can see, this is the positive face of the battery here. It is marked out. And on the key fob itself here, actually the case, it shows a positive sign right in the center there, so you actually helps you out and keeps track of which side the battery is facing. Now for the battery itself, it is a CR2032 battery. Just a flat battery, can be purchased anywhere at your local auto parts store or electronics store, etc. Now for removing the key out of the other half of the key fob itself. Now you will have to remove the Volkswagen emblem here. Unfortunately this one is missing on mine. Just take a small flat screwdriver and you just want to pop the emblem out. It's actually glued in the center there. And what you want is actually there's a phillips screw in behind this emblem. Now I've already had the here, so now you want to make sure this is in the open position. It actually doesn't really matter, but anyways, you just want to remove this screw here. You want to be careful because there actually is a spring inside, so you don't want it flying apart on you. Now you may need a screwdriver to assist you to just slowly pry apart here. As you can see, and then there you can see there's a spring inside. The spring is connected on the little metal, or the metal spring is actually connected on the little plastic tab there. Now, this is the other side of the key fob. Now it's a little hard to see on the picture here, but actually that this little piece right here is actually the vehicle's demobilizer. As you can see when you take the part here, there's a spring in there, and it's got a little tab on the top here. This little tab that sticks out actually goes into the plastic part of the fob assembly, and this is the little button that actually is the release for the key itself, as you can see. Now I also want to make note that the spring is only wound one turn on this part here. So when you reinstall this and your key is facing in the upward position like so, you actually want to make sure that this is wound counterclockwise this way in one turn itself. That just keeps the tension just enough on the spring to make the key actually flip out from the side when you press the release button. Thank you for watching. Now if you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to post them.